Hello all, it's John from Dura-Fix. I'm out here on this beautiful sunny day to work on some samples for our upcoming contractor training program, which is scheduled for June 7th in Albany, New York. So here's a glimpse as to what these samples look like. These samples are meant to mimic the type of conditions that you might find when you're working on an older property. So wood rot in corners, open joints, checking, and then over here, Dutchman repairs, or sometimes called splicing, to cut out the rot and replace pieces with new material. There's a link in the bio. We still have a few slots available for June 7th. Hope to see you there.